Good morning. Hopefully everybody's had a good first week. Today is the short day, so everybody's going to do a little something. I have a 20 question kind of quiz over all the videos. So I don't think that's going to take you too long, probably 10, 15 minutes will be my guess. So go ahead and take that. Obviously, if there's anything you haven't done from the rest of the week, so any one of those videos you haven't watched, assessments you haven't done, you can go ahead and do those. Like I mentioned before, all that stuff is getting graded. It's going to go into the fourth quarter. So when the fourth quarter grade book gets opened up next week, I'm going to pop all that stuff in there, and you're going to have like 17 things like show up. So make sure you're getting all that stuff done. I think everything has multiple, even this quiz today has multiple attempts. So if you don't get something you like, if you don't get if you don't pass it, please take it again and get to where you're potentially passing those things. So make sure that happens. This kind of wraps up Unit 14. So we got one more to go. Next week we're going to be all about the judicial branch, the Supreme Court. We're going to hammer that out next week. And then the week after that, we're going to do a lot of reviewing where we're going to tackle the 2 essay questions, specifically kind of how you're going to answer those. I'm going to give you some stuff to review that hopefully will help you on those questions. And then the week after that is the actual AP test. So that's going to be your assignment, is to actually take that test. If you're signed up to take it, you're going to take it through AP. If you're not, you're going to take it through me. So everybody's going to answer kind of those 2 essay questions. That will take you about 45 minutes to do that. So, all right, any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me. There are no office hours today, but I will try to check my email as close as I can. I'll be in preparation for the Unit 15, so please let me know if you got something you need answered. Other than that, one more thing. If you'd like to turn any work from the third quarter, today's kind of like the last day to do that. So make sure you're getting that done if that's something you think is necessary to do. Other than that, I will talk to you guys all later on, so have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.